Hi everyone, I'm here today with the new MacBook Pro M4 chip. Today we are going to be unboxing it and seeing what's inside. Let's get started. So this is the MacBook Pro M4 as its case. If we flip it around, we can see that there are two pull tabs. So we're going to do that right now. So we're going to pull this top one first. Pull that. And pull the bottom one too. You can see now these two are pulled. We'll put this in the trash later. And you can see this is a 14-inch MacBook Pro M4 chip, 16 gigabytes memory and 512 gigabytes of storage. Let's open it up. Make sure you can see this, align this properly. This is so satisfying. That is the new MacBook Pro. We are going to take, I have no idea how to do this. There's another pull tab here. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with Apple these days, but there's a lot of pull tabs. This is a Mac. We're gonna keep it aside for now. And I'm just gonna zoom out first. So readjust focus. Whatever, should be okay. So this, you know what? I'm gonna focus myself now. It's not focusing. Let me get this focus right first. Yeah, that should be better. So this is gonna be the focus for now. There is one wire, wait, where is the outlet though? Whatever. So this is the black wire with USB-C interface on the input side and a MagSafe free charger on the other side. So there's another pull tab. Oh, so there is the charger. This is the charger that gave me. We're in Hong Kong, so British. And if we see, we can kind of like, you can see here that we just plug this in. We're gonna use this later, and there's like a tiny manual, whatever. You can read this by yourself. It's not gonna be covered in the video because it's way too long to cover. So right now, all we're gonna focus on is the MacBook Pro. So we're gonna use this pull tab here to open up. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, this is satisfying. And we're gonna pull this off, get that out, get this casing out first, and this is what we get, the new MacBook Pro. We're gonna open the screen and see what's inside. There is a screen protector, and you see it's booting up right now. Oh, you can't see it. Oopsies. See, it's booting up right now. Just zoom out a bit. This is the new MacBook Pro. And it's just gonna say hello. That's unboxing. We'll do the review in another video, and I'm just gonna log in and set up all the credentials first. And you can do this by yourself. This is unboxing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.